Welcome to SwellPro product tutorial videos. This video will show you the process of unboxing the SwellPro Spry. Open the case. This is the Spry aircraft. The Spry waterproof remote controller. The balance charger for charging drone batteries. Charger power cable. .4G and 5.8G antennas. Spry drone battery. The Spry user manual. Two sets of propellers. A bag of accessories, which includes a motor wrench, propeller nut wrench, battery compartment opening tool, 3S balance charging cable, membrane protection sticker, spare waterproof membrane, USB cable for updating the drone firmware, and the spare waterproof switch covers. These components are all included with the SwellPro Spry. Thank you for watching.